In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable cookies in Google Chrome, a useful skill if you're looking to improve your online privacy or manage how websites track your online activity. Before we start, let me quickly explain why someone might want to disable cookies. Cookies are small files stored on your computer by websites to keep track of your preferences and activity. While they can enhance your browsing experience by remembering your login information and personal settings, they can also be used for tracking your online behavior across different sites, which some users may find intrusive. To begin, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Take a moment to ensure you're using the latest version of the browser, as steps might slightly vary with different updates. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is often referred to as the More menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this list, you'll want to navigate towards the Settings option and click on it. This action will take you to the Settings screen. Now on the left-hand side, you should see several options. Look for and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains various settings related to your online privacy, so it's a good idea to get familiar with it if you want more control over your browsing experience. Under Privacy and Security, you'll see a section labeled Cookies and Other Site Data. Clicking on this will bring up a new page with options related to cookies. By default, Google Chrome allows sites to save and read cookie data. If you want to disable cookies altogether, you'll need to select Block All Cookies. This selection will prevent every site from storing new cookies on your computer. However, keep in mind, blocking all cookies might interfere with the functionality of some websites, as certain sites rely on cookies to provide a seamless user experience. Alternatively, if you prefer not to block all cookies, you might consider blocking third-party cookies only. This allows the primary site to use cookies while stopping third-party tracking across different websites. Just choose Block Third-Party Cookies to apply this setting. Now, with your preferred setting chosen, you can exit the Settings tab as your changes will be saved automatically. It's important to note that these changes will apply to all future browsing sessions, but to ensure everything is running smoothly, try visiting various sites to see if your browsing experience meets your expectations. If you ever want to revert the changes or tweak your settings, you can simply follow these steps again and modify them according to your new preferences. That's all for today's tutorial. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful and simple to follow. Remember, managing your cookies can be an effective way to protect your privacy while browsing online.